Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And we're continuing the build on the Viper. We got some more parts that came in, so we're excited. We can continue building it, repairing it, and getting ready for the frame. So what came in was the wheels. We actually looked for a company and we found the barrels, and they came in really quick. So here's that front lip.
Nice.
That looks good. So we could change that out. The whole thing is they're not painted, so we're gonna either have to paint them or we're gonna powder coat it. So here's the the front. Here should be the rear. And here's the rear barrel. Look at that. So pretty much we'll do this. We'll get this one.
So these things like custom made or?
I mean, he had them in stock,
Wow.
so look at that. Just like that, we got a brand new wheel. And they weren't that expensive, surprisingly. So this definitely is gonna save us a lot of money and time. The only thing is we're gonna have to paint them, so we have to go and choose a different paint color. So if you guys want, we definitely need some ideas. Give us, comment below what color we should go with. Should we go with what they had before? Except the yellow, we're gonna get rid of the yellow. We're definitely not gonna do that. But should we do the black lips with the gray, or should we do all black, or gold on black? I mean, most likely we do want to do the lips on black. And
I like the red barrel, but we'll see.
I don't know. But we're pretty much gonna take this wheel apart. We did call a local company that can powder coat them, but we're gonna try to do it ourselves. If it doesn't work out, we'll just give it to them and they can do it. But we definitely need to do the ASAP. So we're gonna take this wheel apart, take this all barrel apart, and the other rim. And then we're gonna try to sandblast them. We actually bought this kit on Amazon. It hooks up to the pressure washer and it throws a little sand out, and if it takes the paint off nicely, we'll try to powder coat them. There's a lot of companies out there that do it, so. Also, we had some other parts that came in. Here's this piece. So that would go right there.
Nice.
So we're ready for the headlight. Also, we have the front bumper reinforcement plastic bar. So that goes right there. So all we need is the front bumper, which we are still looking for. So you guys, we need your help. Find that front bumper.
What about the headlights? Just that one headlight, right?
Yeah.
That one, we need the other headlight.
And we actually got the cooler. So we can drive this thing. Heck yeah.
Once we get the rims on there, get on the frame.
And also, you know what this is, Michael? They packaged it really well. It's the headlight.
Nice, wow, we do have it.
So, I've been looking for them. They're really expensive and really hard to find, especially with damage. So we found this one with no damage. The only bad part, it's a little foggy. But that's not a problem.
Oh yeah.
We'll fix that up. We'll sand it down and we'll probably clear coat it.
Yep.
It's gonna look just like the other one. So we'll probably do both headlights. But at least no broken tabs, comes complete. So we'll be almost ready to put it on like that.
A big old headlight.
Look at that. So, a lot of parts came in, so let's get to work.
Alright guys, we still have 61 days to go. Honestly, I'm feeling pretty confident about it. I don't see why not. As long as we get the front bumper, the fender, the frame should go well, get everything painted, get it on the road. So we definitely should make for that Seaman build. I think it'll look good.
Alright, what if you do all the work, Michael? You think you'll have it done by then?
I mean, it might take a little longer, but 61 days, I mean, if I put my effort, yeah, I could probably do it. Good thing we're in this together, Ivan.
Good thing.
Good thing.
It's
It'll be a lot easier.
teamwork.
Teamwork.
Combo. We're gonna knock it out quick.
Yeah. No stress, but it's nice to have a little deadline. It's good. Keep going, move forward.
Let's get to it. Alright, so here we have it. I tried the sandblasting with the pressure washer, and that took about 5 minutes, so I don't know, it's gonna take forever for the rest of the wheels. So I got some paint stripper, and we're gonna try, see how that goes. We'll put that on the bolts. So we'll see which way is a lot faster. Well, this says about 45 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes. As you guys can see, this bolt was painted and it's coming off nicely, but this is not. So we're just going to give it that company and let them do it before we kind of damage it more. So let's take apart the other wheel and let's go drop it off. Alright, so after a couple hours of taking these apart, got them all taken apart and ready to drop them off at the shop. So let's get them loaded up and get them dropped off. Alright, so we got the wheels dropped off. Next, we'll try to restore this headlight. So we're going to sand it down first with some 800, and then we'll go to 1000, and then we're going to clear them. Hopefully it's going to turn out good. Let's get to it. Alright guys, check it out. We got it all sanded. Look at it, it looks so dull. Let's wipe it down with wax and grease. Look at that. Hopefully once we put clear on, it's going to stay like this, nice and shiny. So let's mix up the clear and spray it. Alright guys, so I finally found some parts. I got his address. We're ready to go. He's getting us a really good deal. So let's go pick him up. Check out, we bought some parts for the Viper. Here's the donor one. It's pretty stripped down. Alright guys, so after a long drive, we got the parts. Pretty much all the parts we need except the front bumper. We're still looking for a front bumper. Unfortunately, the dealership, it's on back order or something. They said up to like 3 months, 2 months to get one. So we're looking for a used one or something. So we definitely need your help, guys. If you guys have a bumper, let us know.
For sure.
But as you guys can see, here's the front fender. It's in really good shape. I mean, we're gonna repaint it, so just little scratches, not a big deal. We got this piece, and ours is gonna be supercharged now.
Because we got the stickers for it. Nice.
Just kidding. So, but that's in really good shape. It's aluminum. I don't see any big dents or anything like that in it. And then we got the rear quarter panel. And the guy gave us a really good deal on all these parts.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Also, he gave us the fender liners. OEM fender liners, so that's really nice. And we got the little vent. So, a lot of progress. We can start put this thing together. Fortunately, we can't put this fender on until we do the frame. But we actually can fix this. So I'm gonna fix this little piece really quick, get it really close. And as soon as the wheels come in, then we put on the frame machine. So let's get to it. Guys, that took a lot longer than I thought. This stuff was on there good. It was actually on there good, it was taking the paint off. Look at that. So we still got a couple little sections to go. I'll do that later. But right now, I'm gonna sand this thing down. We're gonna put some resin on it, reinforce it, sand it down, get it ready, and get it back in the shape it needs to be. So let's get to it. All right, check it out. So I put one coat, sanded it down, came out pretty good. We'll once we get the bumper, the headlight, and bracket, we can sand it down more, trim it up a little bit nicer. But right now, this ain't going anywhere. We got the fender on it. We got the rocker on it. And so far, everything's coming out really nice. But it looks like this rail needs to go down a little bit. But that's all on the project. On the frame machine, but this rear thing, quarter panel's on. We're still waiting for the bumper. And hopefully the wheels. But a lot is getting done. Alright, so we just picked up the bumper. Look at this. Before it was so flimsy and all cracked up. Looks really good. So we're gonna use this special body filler that actually flexes. Fill that up a little bit. Look at that. And that's it. It's gonna look like nothing happened. What do you guys think about the two-tone with the red? But we're gonna test fit it, make sure it's all gonna line up. But it's coming along nicely.
Dang, what a difference from before and after. That looks great. Oh yeah.
It turned out like OEM.
Oh yeah. That's very nice.
Does it match the other side though?
I think so. I think it looks really good.
Or do you think we have to do the same to this one? Look at that.
It's good.
Looks really good. It matches really great.
Perfect.
So we did a lot of work. We picked up parts. We put the parts on. Fixed this a little bit for now. Got the wheels dropped off.
Yeah, and then once we get the wheels back, hit the frame sheen, get all straightened out, moving forward. All right guys, let's say it's enough for today. Let's go inside, pick our winner for the giveaway. We got some new custom giveaways made. A lot of variation. Let's see what you guys like, what you don't like. Let us know. Let's go find that winner. All right guys, so we're inside the office. Check out the custom signs. Let us know what you like. Darker wood, light wood, stained, not stained. But for sure, yeah. Just having fun last night in the garage. I think they all look pretty good. Let's go to the computer and find that winner. Time to find that winner for the giveaway. Honestly, this Viper's coming together. Really happy about it. I'm excited. I'm excited to get this thing on the road. Let's see. All right.
Are you more excited about this than the Hellcat?
Yeah, for sure. It's gonna feel like a sports car. The Hellcat's like a boat. It's really comfortable. It's a nice ride. Got a lot of power. You go fast, but this is gonna.
So which one would win, Mike, on the drag strip?
Probably the Hellcat. I mean, the Hellcat's faster. 700 some horsepower.
No, you know why? The Hellcat has better traction.
Traction. I can see that. Yeah, more
This one
weight.
will just spin.
Yeah.
But
I mean,
maybe on the streets they'll get it on the roll.
I don't know. We'll see. This should be pretty fast though, all the mods and everything. But all right, let's do this. Let's find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Andrew Migwig, Viper. Congrats. Hey, you won. Check out our custom signs. Let us know what you like. Send us your address. Then we'll get the sign over to you.
Yeah, let us know if you guys like this one.
Or the other style. Let us know. Yeah, we like your feedback, you guys. We have 407 comments. We appreciate you guys letting us know what you like or don't like. Here we go. Winner number 2 is Visions Auction Rebuild. All right, here we go. Viper, baby. Mopar. We understand. Congratulations. Go ahead and send us your address and we'll get that over to you. Let's see our most liked comment. Mike posted a video on the Viper pages. Yeah, we really appreciate that. Like, let us know some more insight about the car. If you can find that front bumper, that'd be fantastic. It's the last piece that we need of the puzzle. And then just gotta put it together, get the frame done, paint.
I mean, we're looking for a used one or a brand new one.
Either way, really.
With a little bit of damage, that's fine. We just need something so
we want to get it done before SEMA. We want to make sure the deadline, because the dealers have what, 2 months out or something lead time. It's crazy.
Because they have to ship it from there to there.
It's ridiculous. But it's part of the game. All right, here we go. Let's find our third winner. 3, 2, 1. Car Enthusiast 68 Viper. Congratulations, you're a winner. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for staying tuned. You know, we're always doing more giveaways, so comment Viper in the below for a chance to win next time. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell because we're gonna have a new video coming out soon. Sorry, I've been busy cleaning up and everything. We'll have an update on our other builds. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
And also, we might have another build.
Yeah, we got a new one. It's in the works in the back, but hope we'll get that video out soon.